how to add pictures to a gallery view in Notion. Hello and welcome back to our channel, beautiful people. Today we're going to learn how to add pictures to a gallery view in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on adding pictures to a gallery view in Notion. So firstly, as you can see in this picture in this screen right now, I have different multiple pictures, GIFs, and it is in gallery mode view. So in order to make this gallery view, what you have to do is go to an empty area and create a database. So just tap on / on your keyboard, and now it will display certain functions, but all I want to do is tap on write database. So on the database, I am seeing the gallery view here. So just like that, I can create a gallery view and select a blank database or an existing one. Okay, I'm going to select this machine learning one. So yeah, this will be my gallery database. Looks like gallery machine learning is a calendar view, so I'm not going to select it for now. But that's just about it. If you select any gallery view and a database, you can put a picture on there right away. So let's do that once again. I'm just gonna search for gallery view right now. Alright, so as you can see, this acts as a sticky notes, but in place of sticky notes you can always put photos. So in place of the sticky notes, you can always put the photos. So I hope you guys learn how to put a database on gallery mode, your pictures. If you learned it, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, stay tuned for more. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.